Hello again, my kindergartners. We're going to do a couple of review pages today because tomorrow is your post-assessment and then you are done with this unit. Yay! I am very super uber proud of you guys. Okay, so let's take a look at our couple of review pages here for our practice today. Okay, this should look quite familiar. You're going to draw hands on the clock to show the time, okay? So on our digital clock, it shows what time? 3 o'clock. So we're on the hour. The first thing that I would recommend you guys do is find the spot closest to the middle and put a dot, okay? A good sized dot so that you have a starting point for your hands, okay? Then your minute hand is gonna point at the 12 and your hour hand is gonna point at the 3, only halfway through, okay? All right, so let's put another dot, okay? Now we need to show what time? 8 o'clock. So again, our minute hand is pointing at the 12 and our hour hand is pointing at the 8. Okay. Oh, there's been a commotion. I think we've been invaded. Welcome to math with staring at me like, what? I'm invisible. She sure thinks she is. And there's an OJ on the floor coming toward me. Okay, so here's, I'll help you with one more and then you guys can do the rest on your own. So I'm going to make my dots right there in the middle. And we need to show what time? 1 o'clock. So our minute hand's going to point at the 12 and our hour hand's going to go halfway and point at the 1. Okay, awesome. Now next page, we did a page very similar to this yesterday. We did set 1 yesterday. So let's get a crayon. You're going to color the digital clock that matches the analog clock, all right? So here we have, we're pointing at the 12 and the hour hand is pointing at the 8. You got this. You've got this. We'll color that in, all right? Okie dokie. You should be good to finish the rest on your own. And then this last page will be super easy peasy. We're gonna cut the pictures off. Make sure you only have 1 page that you are cutting, okay? And we're gonna trim it. Oh my goodness, I have my big scissors right over here instead of hacking away with Lynn's little scissors. Bigger hands need bigger scissors. Hi, OJ. OJ's down here on the floor looking up at me. She's got the sweetest little face, like you guys do. But, okay. And then we're going to take a look at these pictures. I'm going to put them neatly. Yeah. All in a little row so I can see them clearly. Okay. All organized to do my work. Okay. All right. So we have 10 pictures. So we should have 5 on each. Oh, Math Assistant,
Yes.
Math assistant,
Yes.
would you like to help us?
No, thank you.
Yes, you would. Thank you for assisting me. All right. It is a pleasure and an honor to have you as my math assistant. Isn't it a joy to be my math assistant? Yeah? Okay. All right. We're going to take a look at the pictures and decide if it's an event that happened in the AM, in the morning, or in the PM, in the afternoon. Oh, this guy looks like he's sleeping. When do we sleep?
PM.
In the PM. I'm just going to do some lines.
Not showing.
That's because the glue is clear. Okay, so will you glue him on there? Math assistant, what do you think this is? Breakfast in the morning? What about this one? What does it look like they're doing?
Eating dinner.
Eating dinner? Well, then wouldn't dinner be in the evening, in the PM?
But what if it was lunch?
Well, lunch is afternoon, and from 12 o'clock noon, it becomes PM. Okay. Oh, stretch. What's happening here? We're waking up. Okay. What about this one? When do you usually get dressed? Again, during this time of
AM.
quarantine, it might be different, but you should get dressed in the
AM.
AM. Okay. When do we see the moon and stars?
PM.
In PM. Okay. When should you make your bed?
AM.
In the AM. Okay. Oh, when do you go to school?
AM.
In the AM. When do you take a bath?
PM.
PM. Okay, and this looks like eating cereal
AM.
in the AM. Oh, I don't know, maybe this one is going home from school. Oh, you know what? Now that I'm taking a second look, it looks like he's leaving the classroom, doesn't it? It looks like he's leaving the classroom. So, oopsies. If you leave it over here, don't worry about it, okay? Sometimes these pictures are a little tricky, so I like to help you with the pictures. So that's okay. Don't be discouraged. That's why sometimes I encourage you to lay them out before you start gluing. Perhaps we should have done that today. Lesson learned, huh? Yeah, but you're doing great. You're doing awesome. I see OJ taking over my bed. And Sherbert is still here. It's a good day. And I hope you continue to have a good day, and I'll see you next time.